All right, SoFi update here on the 12th. So down 1.6%, but I mean, this is just back and forth all day. At one point, it hit 1520. And like I said in the last video, I do think this B wave ended right here. I think this is a very tricky 5-wave move up. Is there an alt count? The only alt count that I could see, which doesn't even really make that much sense, would be that this is an ABC move. I'll just say this is very low probability. Very, very low probability. That's probably not going to happen, but I would go ahead and lay it out there if we were to, for some reason, the market sold off. But even if that happened, that would still be overall bullish. We'd go up from there. So that's like probably less than 5% chance of happening. Let's go into what I think it really is, which is AB, and let's just go over this C wave here. So this right here is a diagonal. And then we get a second wave pullback right here. And then this is kind of tricky because you're wondering what this is right here. I think that this was a deep fourth wave. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 for the third wave. And then you pull back for the fourth wave. And I think the fifth wave ended actually right here. I think it ended right here. And then this is an A, B, C move right here. So in my opinion, the fourth wave is finished on this. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we got a straight up move from there. So we went straight up. Let me zoom in a little bit farther. So what this probably is a second wave we're in right now. Some kind of second wave here. Maybe it comes down a little bit lower, maybe it doesn't. But I think this is the first wave of the overall fifth wave. So with that being said, this is the line in the sand right here for this uptrend. 1466. It's got to hold 1466. Anything below 1466 is going to change some things. So if this is wave 1 of the fifth wave here, then we should expect a third wave to go to the 1.61 fib here. So you're looking at 1545. And let's see how far this retraced. This retraced. It's already hit the 0.61 fib, so it could come down here to 1477 potentially for a second wave, but I would expect a third wave up here to 1545 and then pull back here to maybe 1528. And then if we're just taking the first wave and putting it at the bottom of 1528, then you're looking at something around 1575 minimum. But then we know that we have the gap up here at 1614, so I would say it's likely we get up there. But if not, you're looking at like 1585 for the fifth wave. So that's where I think we're at right now. Is it possible that this is going to end up being a first wave of a move up? Meaning we end up going like this? It could, but timing-wise, let's look at the timing of this. The timing of this took, this only took about 24 days, and it took about a month down. So you're looking at basically a month and a half. And we're already 3 weeks into this. So I would say the odds are that this is it. This is going to be it. Whenever this is finished, that should be the C wave up. So that's pretty much all there is to say about it right now. I think that we are in the beginning of a fifth wave higher, but invalidation is going to be below 1466. If it goes below there, then we'll have to look at it more in depth, maybe put in some alt counts. But right now, 1466 needs to hold. Your next target is 1545. and minimum target for 5 waves is around 1575. That's it for this update. Let's see what happens. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I will catch you in the next video.